हॉटेलांनी जी ऑक्युपन्सी आहा विच इज ड्रॉप टू अराउंड 40%, 35%, 30%. तितून आता फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट आसताले आनी इंडियन ट्युरिस्ट येताले. सो ते इंडियन ट्युरिस्ट जे येताले ते मोठ्या प्रमाणात डब्ब करून बसले, म्हणजे येयना. द नंबर्स हॅव कम डावन फ्रॉम 70% to 25%.
Fall is more than 50, 55%.
You will come to know on the collection of hotel GST.
So you are saying
as well
not
as
only the
foreigners
core tourism sector, the allied sectors are also getting massively affected.
affected. And also good restaurants have already started shutting down.
Why this is a situation on ground? तुम्ही किती म्हणताले?
First is recession.
Recession, why? Our
Recession-
economy is not in recession.
No, economy is in recession.
No,
You'll have to find
nation's
out
economy
this.
is not in recession.
No, you'll have to find out. Everybody is feeling the pinch. There are reasons. One is
one is recession you are saying. What is your second reason?
Second is correction. जे इन्फ्लुएन्सर उलयल्या गोंयाचेर आनी जे सेक्टरांनी करेक्शन आहा ते आज सरकारान करेक्शन करपाची गरज आसा. सरकार म्हणजे
tell me three things that you want to be corrected immediately.
सरकारान म्हणजे कितें, सरकार म्हणजे आमचे लोकूय आहा तितून इन्वॉल्व. स्टेकहोल्डर्स पुट युअर हाऊस इन ऑर्डर.
कशें
सांगता आतां इतले जाण ट्युरिस्ट येता,
हय,
दे हॅव टू कोऑर्डिनेट विथ द ट्युरिस्ट पुलीस. म्हणजे डूज अँड डोंट्स बोर्ड आयज बसून ना. तूं वचून खंयचे बिचार पळय, हे आमचे गुटखा अँड स्पिटिंग ऑन द बीच. तूं बीच वचून पळय. More than
advantage in your constituency or a problem in your constituency?
Of liberation, BJP has never won in our constituency. We have seen BJP winning twice.
Yes.
That I have won twice on BJP ticket.
Yeah.
So third time also, if I have to win, and if people want me to win, I will win, or people will send me home. It is not a something which is.
Or you can choose, or you can choose not to contest on a BJP ticket like last time. That is another option. त्या option तू convenient सांग ना म्हाका.